Good morning, everyone. Muriel here with a craft with me video today. Today I am working on this card making kit that I picked up at Joann's. It's the sketchbook by Valint, and you can make 20 cards with it. So I pulled out a lot of other things that I want to accompany this card making kit, because the stickers that are in here are just not my fave. They're like washi tape thin. There's even washi tape. And I think I would be better using these in my day planner. So I pulled out some chipboard pieces from a variety of companies. I pulled out this here, Simple Stories, to think maybe I could use something on here. I pulled out this one from My Mind's Eye. Some of these, which I did use. I used the gold strip that was on the bottom here, if you can see that. This is a chipboard piece I just picked up a couple of weeks ago. So the colors are kind of the same, so I figured I could use that. I pulled out my 583 chipboard pieces that I picked up at Joann several months, last year actually. It's a bunch of chipboard pieces, acetate pieces of flowers and butterflies and whatnot. Wait a minute, acetate here and vellum, or vellum here and acetate here. Good gravy. This is one of the shaker frames that I made last year. And then you have some tags and whatnot in this pocket. And then you have a bunch of more flowers and butterflies in this pocket. So I'm using a lot from that. And then the I have a bunch of words. Let's see here. Cut apart words from that ephemera pack of things like that. So I kind of had to separate them because I had them all in one box and I couldn't decipher as I was pulling them out. So I stopped, grabbed one of these Target boxes and divided everything up. Make it a lot easier for me. So the cards, you get 20 cards. I started out by separating 10 of the cards. And they're really nice. You see they have one pattern on one side and then there's another pattern on the other side. So you can decide which side of the card you want to use. So as I pulled 10 to the side, the other 10 cards, I started cutting up because I wanted to use these as card base, right? So I did that, and they're like 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 2.5 inch. So cut those up. And then I started deciphering what I wanted to use on these cards, what kind of message I wanted to say. Some of them say thank you. Some of them say other things. This one here is going to be just a kind of just open. It's going to be what you write in the card, but it'll be cute on the outside. So far, only thing I did was took 2 pieces of the card, cut them down, glued them on this card base, and tied this goldenrod yellow string, right? Now, the piece I'm going to work with in the chipboard ephemera is this stack of books. I thought that'd be cute. Here is my message, enjoy the little things. And then I found from one of those chipboard packs, this piece here that says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then I couldn't find, with all that I have in this room, with all that this room has, stickers, puffy stickers, glue, you name it. I couldn't find a worm because I wanted to put a worm on this book. So I had to cut one out. So there it is, little worm, right? So let's get busy putting this together. I know I want this to go here, like so, and I want this stack of books to go at an angle. So I'm going to go ahead and pop my glue. I've been keeping my pen in my glue, you guys. I learned a lesson. So I don't have to worry about it being stuck anymore. So I hope you guys had a good time during Valentine's Day. Me and my daughter bought some cheapo canvases from Michael's. I wasn't able to, hi Roseanne, I wasn't able to find them at TJ Maxx when I went yesterday. Roseanne suggested I go there because you probably can find them cheaper. But of course, I see them when I'm not looking for them, but they weren't there. So I had to go to Michael's. But Michael's was buy one, get one free. Ta-da! So last night, my daughter ordered pizza, chicken wings, and bread, little bread things, garlic bread rolls or whatever. And we and chicken wings, yeah. So we ate, and then after we ate, we washed our hands, and then we did the portraits. Hilarious. So I have them on the mantle. Cute. It was fun, and I got a really cute basket. Here's my bucket. It's a bucket basket she gave me yesterday with a bunch of cool stuff in it. She's really sweet. She's getting sweeter the older she gets. Okay, so I think that's pretty much settled there. So I'm going to put some glue on this worm and put it on the book, signifying a bookworm, right? This would be a good card to give to someone who does a lot of reading. Okay. So I want to put it where I know it's going to be highlighted. Okay. Hopefully the person that gets the card will note the worm. Okay, then I'm going to put some glue on this little sign. So I got up this morning. I was up very early. I was up at 4 o'clock. You know what? The older you get, the less sleep you need, I think, because my mind is programmed. So I got up and I went downstairs and just kind of picked up a little. We did a lot picking up last night. I just wanted to make sure everything was good downstairs. Took some meatballs out, chicken meatballs, chicken and sage, something like that. I picked them up at Costco. I'm going to go ahead and put them in a pot with some marinara, and we're going to cook that slowly. And I want to try these linguine noodles that are made with chickpeas because I'm trying to stay away from pasta, real pasta, and try the alternative. So I'm going to do that while my daughter has regular pasta. Okay, so we have that down. We have our worm. I think I should make sure his eye is a little bit more pronounced because I just use a pencil. I don't want it to look like there we go. There we go. Okay, and then I have that Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, whatever. I thought that's perfect for this, just to put at the bottom. So let's get some glue here. Okay. Yeah, so I was up early, and then after I picked up downstairs, I said, okay, go upstairs and pull out this kit and get busy. You know, I watch so many videos. I watch you guys, and I'm just like, why can't I find the time to get in my craft room and do more? I need to be in here every day. I need to. So let me push this down like this. And then what I want to do is show you the ones that I've made so far. Oh, and then what I did was her kit came with these postage stamps. So I just put them on the envelopes. I'm trying to use as much of her stuff as I possibly can. And it's just, yeah, the card bases, but the stickers I just can't. So here is one that I made. You can see this has hearts on the front, and it has solid pink in the back. And then these came with her ephemera, so I just put that on the back of the card. But I'm using a chipboard piece. I pulled out my bees. These are from Hobby Lobby. Chipboard piece that says smile. I have a ribbon, thinking of you, and then this strip of hearts there, right? And I think most of the cards will be hand delivered. I don't think they'll be mailing them, but what do I know? Okay, this one here had this rabbit on the postcard, on the stamp, postage stamp. And then here is the card here. This is happy birthday. So I have a congrats word here, the chipboard piece with the B. Happy birthday, yay for today. And this is the gold strip that I use from one of the larger chipboard pages. And same thing, little sticker on the back. And I just love how the back is decorated. Haven't done anything on the inside. I think I am going to put a message. I asked a couple of ladies at work who have gotten cards from me, do they prefer the inside to say something? And some of them said yes, just like a one line or so. And then they can write around the rest of it. So here is another one of the postage stamps. And this one here is a thank you card. Okay, like I said, all this ephemera was in the kit. The chipboard piece is from the Joann's kit. And the back of it is yellow, and I just used that little ephemera piece there. And then this one here has real cute oranges or peaches on the stamp. And then this one here, same thing. Best happy wishes. I used a acetate on top of this chipboard piece, and that's from the kit. 2 hearts from the chipboard stack over there, and then again using these 2, and then that gold strip in the back with that piece there. So that's been fun. So I've been going at this for about 2-3 hours, and I've made 5 cards, including this one here. So if you have this kit, go ahead and pull it out. I mean, if you like using all the crudiments that she gives, it's okay. But they need to be a little bit more solid substance for me. So I'm happy with what I've done so far. I'm going to kind of keep going until the UFC fight comes on, and make as many as I can of all different varieties. So thanks for poking in, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. Until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.